In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thank you page on Systeme.io. Whether you're an online entrepreneur or just getting started with your digital sales journey, having a well-designed thank you page can enhance your customer experience and drive further engagement. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently create a page that resonates with your brand and meets your business needs. To begin, make sure you have access to your Systeme.io account and a sales funnel set up. These are the essential starting points for crafting your thank you page. Assuming you're all set with these, let's dive in together. First, navigate to the funnel where you'd like to add your brand new thank you page. On the left side of your funnel page's menu, you'll see an option labeled Create Step. Click on this, and from the available options, select Thank You Page. This action sets the foundation for your next steps in creating a customized thank you experience for your audience. Now you'll be presented with a variety of templates. These are designed to fit different styles and purposes, so take a moment to browse through them and find one that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and tone. Once you've found the perfect match, simply click. Select to choose that template for your page. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to click the Edit Page button. This will open up the configuration window where all the magic happens. In this editor, you have the power to customize the content, layout, and overall design to suit your specific needs. It's an exciting space to let your creativity flow while keeping user experience in mind. Interestingly, there's an option to elevate your thank you page, adding an order summary. This feature provides your customers with a recap of their purchase, fostering transparency and trust. However, it's important to note that this feature can only be added to a sales thank you page. If your thank you page is meant for opt-in purposes, this won't be applicable. To include this order summary, ensure that your thank you page is categorized under sales. If it's not, you might need to create a new step in your funnel under the sales category and choose thank you page. Just as before, when your page is ready, locate the edit page icon and click on it to access the editor. Inside the editor, find the order summary element. You can drag it onto your page, placing it wherever it best fits with your design. This customization not only clarifies purchases for your customers, but can also enhance the overall efficiency of your sales funnel. And that's it. You've successfully created a thank you page on Systeme.io, complete with a sleek order summary that enhances your customer's journey. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has empowered you to create engaging and effective thank you pages that reflect your brand's identity.